Ani Jiramo Chuck. Nikichinendam. Wabaman. Happy to see you. Abishishayin. Where are you going? Ashtata. Oh, a new model. Now, let's give this a go. What do we have here? You are going to find in this sketching project, this practice, is a little bit more frustration than other ones. You gotta remember, it's been months since I've drawn anything, and when you don't practice, well, this is the results. Frustration, double checking, erasing, and trying again. And that's what's going to happen in this one. Bejgonji, Bejgonji, horse, Bejgonji. When I was doing this piece, I was thinking to myself, this is just like learning Anishinaabemoan. With Anishinaabemoan, you have to learn the anatomy of the language. I don't know anything about Bejgonji, body parts, anatomy. When I lived in BC, we threw a blanket on the horse and we took off in the mountains to go corral the other horses and bring them back. And that was fun. I got to learn to ride a horse. And it took practice, eh? And it's no different than learning Anishinaabemoan, your language. I had to learn about prefixes and suffixes. I had to learn about syntax and nouns. I had to learn to even think like Anishinaabeg, and I'm still working on that. I had to learn the anatomy of tense forms, plural and singular, inclusive, exclusive. There's so much to learn. Thank goodness we have good teachers, to help us. So here you see me sketching out. I didn't no planning whatsoever. I just freehand it. I wanted to see how it felt, eh? Usually I would draw circles and triangles and put the puzzle pieces together, and measure everything. But this time I'm just freehanding it, just going with the flow, enjoying it. And I'm finding that doing this, I got a little frustrated with some of my work, my lines, and the anatomy of the horse. Like, I was more focused on the technique of drawing than I was actually looking at the photograph that my friend gave me to sketch, to practice. And, well, you'll see. So it really helps to prep your Anishinaabemoan, and practice what you know. That's what I know. Keep your confidence alive by just keep practicing. Repetition, Naha. Oh, Ningoe Netanishnabem. Bangeeta Nenesatam. Bange Ningashkiton. We Anishinaabemoyan. I'm trying to learn my native language, A little bit I only understand. And I only speak a little bit, But I'm trying. Yeah. Here is a Anishinaabe oath. A vow. Like a VOW. A vow. that you make to yourself. I am committed to learning my ancestors' teachings. Ndo mishkoendam gwa hui ga kendama gitche anishinaabe kinomad wenan. I am committed to learning my ancestors' spiritual teachings. Ndo mishkoendam gwa hui ga kendama gitche anishinabek do Jitwa Noah. I am committed to my emotional learning. Ndo Mishkoendam Ngwawi Ga Kendama Washe Nsko Ad Zian Ad Sia. I am committed to learning to take care of my physical being. Ndo mishkowendam gwa wi ga kendama wewene wi wendama no wi o. I am committed to learning to care for my mental being. Ndo mishkowendam gwawi ga kendama wewene wi wendama ndenenda moen. I am committed to finding my special gifts. Ndo mishkowendam gwawi mkama geni eshe mingo we zia. Aha. Chimigwech kinowia. Minwa nimigwech wia kina ndai nuindagnak panegi be anishna be mowat. Ah oh migwech pane.